Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes. And guys, now I got a request from one of my followers and they said I must make a Jamaican Ital stew. I will be making more than one part. I will make part 2 using the red peas. This one is vegan, vegetarian friendly. No meat around here, Rastaman style, alright? And I'm gonna make it like how Jamaican Rastaman make them thing. My coconut milk, and I have my broad bean or butter bean right there, so and I have lots of vegetable, okra, mixed vegetable, and I have this harvest vegetable. This one has the broccoli and cauliflower. You can go ahead and add those in, but I'm not gonna add those in because I don't want to mash out in a stew. Maybe you can get away with the cauliflower, but I took out the beans and some of the big chunks of big pieces of carrot. I have some frozen bell peppers, my green season blend. I will leave a link to that. I'm going to use half of plantain. Now guys, you want the plantain that's not ripe but turned. So I have half. And then I have some squash. You can use pumpkin, 1 onion, garlic, and I'm going to use 1 Irish. Okay. And I cut up everything, make it easier ahead of time. And I separate them. I put some more red bell peppers, all right, my okra, and everything is ready. Okay, so I add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and now we're gonna fry up the onions. Pot soon start get hot, guys. I'm not gonna add the pepper yet, all right, leave the pepper for last. So we're gonna add all the minced garlic. I'm gonna add about half cup of green onion or scallion. All right, and you want to fry up this a little bit. All right, get the flavor in. We're gonna add the bell peppers. I'm gonna add like a tablespoon of my blended seasoning. I will leave a link to this one. This one just add more flavor to it. All right, guys. Look at that goodness. Can you see all of that? I have some curry, and I'm gonna go in with 1 teaspoon. Let's put 2 teaspoons of curry. And we're gonna go in with about half teaspoon of turmeric. All right, and you just want to burn this in the oil a little bit and mix it up. Look at the goodness. Now I'm gonna add, this is about 1.5 cups of coconut milk. So basically you want to use about half can of this, and then you add about half cup of water, right? You can use the whole can just like that if you want. All right, some pimento, Jamaican allspice. I'm gonna put some in. Oh, it smells so good. And at this time I'm gonna add my pumpkin and my Irish potato. And now I'm gonna go in with my mixed vegetable and my carrots and beans. These are frozen, all right, guys. So let's turn up the stove, let it boil. Half teaspoon of this pink Himalayan salt. You don't have to add it because Rastaman don't eat salt, all right? But I'm just gonna add it for taste. At this time, I'm gonna add my plantains. So you don't want them green, you don't want it overripe, you just want it like hard, all right, so it can cook. And I'm using half. I'm gonna put a little bit more water, about 1 cup. there, so it can simmer and all of that. You don't want to cook it on high, on medium to low. All right, you're gonna make the thing simmer down. See? All of this are gonna come together. It's gonna be good. And now I'm gonna squeeze my Maggi cubes, and I'm using 2. This is gonna add some flavor. This is all vegetable. All right, guys, vegan, vegetarian friendly here. I'm gonna cover this and I'm gonna let it simmer down for about, I would say I'm gonna give it about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna add my okra, and then at that time I'm gonna put my scotch bonnet pepper on top. It's almost cooked. I'm gonna add some okra, and this one is frozen. I'm gonna add about a cup. And I also tend to find these okra really fresh and nice too, guys. They're not dry out like the ones you buy, the pound one. All right, and I'm just gonna set my pepper in. We're gonna add the butter bean. You can add whatever bean you want. You can put red peas, red kidney bean, gungo peas, black eyed peas, anything you want. Lentils, you can put whatever you want in it. Okay, guys, can you see the goodness here, guys? So now I'm gonna let this simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes. Let it simmer down. Turn down your stove, let it simmer. Don't burst the pepper. You can burst it if you like it real spicy. I'm just gonna add a little bit of black pepper, and as I said, you can add salt to taste. Okay, a little bit more of my green onion or scallion. You're just gonna let this simmer down for another 5 to 10 minutes and it's all done. So this is it. This is my Ital stew. I'm just gonna show you the goodness here, guys. You see that? You can eat it just like that, guys. I'm not putting the fork in the bottom. Just lifting it, showing you. All right, guys, you see my rice shelly? A shelly belly this, all right? Boy, you know what? Some pepper in our rice, yeah, guys. Why? My blended season. I think it's spicy. Boy. All right, now I pack some of the rice. Yay! We have to fight with it. All right, so that's it. And look over here, my peeps. Oh my goodness. Let's dive in. Let's move the pepper because we don't want to burn out the eyeball. And this is what I'm serving up. This is what I'm gonna have for my dinner. Yes. And as I said before, you can eat it with roti, you can eat it with some dumpling, you can eat it with rice, or you can eat it as is. Hot. Cook nice and soft. All right, my peeps, you have a good day. Hot, hot, hot.